There's nothing more rewarding to us as a team than when the treatment we provide and recover and return back to a full life once again. It is my honor to introduce one of our patients who, by the immediate action that she took to seek medical treatment when she was experiencing a stroke, and with the successful execution of the code stroke response that we developed, made an extraordinary recovery. Our team, her family, friends, and loved ones are thankful for her survival, and we're grateful to have her here to share her story with us today. Can we give a warm welcome to Ms. Rosina Espinoza?
Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to be here with you guys, sharing this special event and this special moment. And thank you for the invitation for share my experience here as a patient and St. Francis Medical Center, but also for the opportunity to see the whole team together and say thank you for saving my life. Thank you for what you guys did for me. I have no words to how to say thank you to you guys. You changed my life, my family's life. Thank you so much. I have you guys here forever. Thank you. And I feel glad to have the opportunity to come back and see the team and say thank you. And oh my God, and I don't know, I'm so emotional, I'm sorry. Because I know not everyone have the chance to recover and get back. So I feel glad to be one of those. And now I feel that it's my responsibility to bring the education to the community, to help other people, patients, and the family of our patients, because they really need support, they need help and the education how to help themselves and how to help the family and the family members that are going through this hard situation that is as a stroke. So it's not simple, it's nothing easy, so it's hard to, when you hear from the providers, you're having a stroke. Your life could change in a second, and I realized that when I came here as a patient. Life is beautiful, but can change and end in just a second. And that made me see that and change a few things that I was doing good as not taking care of my health. Now I'm doing it. Thank you to you guys. But I'm gonna share what happened that day, how was my experience here as a patient. For me, that was a regular day, wake up early, getting ready to work. I was on my way to work, close here, we are neighbors, half a block. And when I stopped my car in the parking lot, so I was, in my mind, reviewing my agenda for the day. When I start feeling not well, I start feeling my hands getting kind of numb, my fingers, dizziness, difficulty breathing, and I thought, that's an anxiety attack. So I tried to just relax, let it go, but that time I noticed that in just a second, things start changing. So new symptoms come, like weakness on my arm, my leg, my tongue start feeling numb. So I said, this is not anxiety. So I recognized those symptoms, but I was in denial. I don't want to have a stroke. It's not that, it's just anxiety. So I tried to open the door on my car, get outside, fresh air, drink some water, but I couldn't. My hand wasn't responding no more. So I said, okay, so I need to ask for help. I need to do something. This is not normal. So nobody was around, so it's okay, call 911. Time is important in this case. So, but I know I was close to St. Francis. I realized that I cannot talk well, gonna be a difficulty if I call. and that's gonna take time for the paramedics to arrive if I cannot communicate over the phone. So I just decided to turn on the engine of my car and drive here. Never do that, please. Call the EMTs. We have a good team. Never drive. So I drove myself here to the parking lot. I don't know how I did it. I'll be honest with you, I just asked God for help and make me strong to get here. So I walked from the parking lot, went to ER, I went to triage, and since I walk in, I feel like, I was safe already. So everything started and triage, and when I saw the nurse getting the phone, calling to the back, calling the doctors, I was like, this is serious. So I think I'm gonna stay here. And I get scared. So they walk me to the back, the area when they have the patients already, and I get surprised because I was scared, I was confused, a lot of things was going on to my mind. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared, I was afraid. But when I walked to the back and I saw the whole team waiting for me, ready to provide service, to provide care, I cannot believe it. I was like, oh my God, all this is for me. So there was already doctors, nurses, technicians, everybody was there, the whole team. So I get to the back, the doctors, nurses, everybody start like providing care. And I was in shock. I cannot believe when the doctor told me, yes, you're having a stroke. And this is the treatment, and this is what we're gonna do. And I said like, okay, do what you guys have to do. Thank you. I signed the concerns for the medication and treatment, and thanks to the team, to my angels. I'm here right now. That was hard, the few hours, that was critical for me, thinking what's gonna happen after this, because I know what stroke is and what could happen after. So I was scared that I'm not gonna be the same person no more, or if I'm gonna be able to walk again and go back to work and take care of my family. And after a few days, so with the excellent care from the whole team, the right treatment, right medication, so everything started getting back to normal, little by little. And to the time that they told me, okay, you are ready to go home. I was like, I don't want to go home. I've been treated really good here. I have been treated as a queen. I don't want to go home. Can I stay? But I was happy when I hear that, okay, so it's a process, but you're going to be fine, and it's time to go back home. And I thank you guys from my heart. Thank you so much for everything you guys have been doing to that community, all the patients that you guys have been helping, and what you guys did to me and my family. And how you see in the logo when they say St. Francis Medical Center, our mission is life. And I'm so proud to say that I'm a proof of that. That's the mission. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Appreciate it.